Hello, welcome back on our YouTube channel. We are back with another episode of the tripod journey. Today's video is a very special video. This video is about how to make Indian style pasta. And one thing, please don't share this recipe with your Italian friends because you don't want your kitchen secrets to be out in open. And yes, let me wear an apron. Wait a second. This is the first time you guys are seeing me wearing apron. The very first thing in this recipe, we will take some water in a pot, blanch our pasta in it. I'll add some salt in it. So the salt goes inside the pasta while it is blanching, and then it'll get a good taste. Yes, sir! Because what happens when you add salt later on, the salt doesn't go inside the pasta. Even the sauce is savory, but the pasta doesn't taste savory. And same time, also add some vegetable oil so the pasta doesn't stick. Cover the pot to reduce your gas bill. Let the water boil before you add the pasta. The water is boiling over there for the pasta. In the meantime, what I will do, I will do the cutting for the pasta. I'll take some onions. I got some garlic. I got some ginger. Need a tomato can. I will puree it. Some coriander and few vegetables. We are doing this cutting for pasta sauce. You don't have to throw these trimmings. You can use them in your tea. That's what I'm gonna do. Yes, sir! So we are done with cutting, and we will be calling our pasta today chicken and vegetable pasta in pink sauce. Okay? So whatever vegetable I got at home, I'm adding in it. Plus some chicken. Oh yes, I can add some pepper in it. I have some peppers in my fridge. I'll cut them too. Water is boiling. Now it's good to add pasta. Please submerge it totally in the water. Keep stirring. You don't want your pasta to stick together. And that's the reason we added oil in it. Blend the diced tomato and make a puree out of it. We need the 2 tomato cans, so I need to do the another one. Whenever you are cooking pasta for Indian customer, you have to make sure that your pasta is really overcooked. You serve this pasta, the al dente pasta, to Indian customers, they will be complaining, oh, your pasta is raw. Pasta is really overcooked, and this is the right time to strain it. Olive oil. Golden brown it. Bring vegetables in it. The vegetables. Saute the vegetables. You may add chili flakes if you want to, but today I don't want to eat any spicy pasta, so I'll keep it simple. You may add some Italian herbs too. The chicken is almost cooked now. We will be adding the tomato puree. Add some sugar to cut the tanginess of the tomatoes. Add the magic ingredient, cream. We will add some salt in it.
Sir, yes, sir!
Sauce is ready now, and I will be adding pasta in it. Overcooked pasta goes in a sauce. Now you need to cook it.
Don't forget to share and like, and please consider to subscribe to our channel. Click the notification button so that you get notified every time we upload a video. Thank you.
So it's a plating time. Let's do the plating.
Sir, yes, sir!
The most critical point, the presentation of your dish. Get a bowl. Get a tong, hold pasta like this, and you roll it and you plate on a plate like this. Add some coriander on it. That's the fresh coriander goes on it like this. That's how your pasta look like. You can add butter on it. Usually people do cheese, but believe me, it tastes better.
Sir!
Grate some fresh butter on your pasta. And if you have problem using the tong and you are not that professional, take out a drill, get a fork, tighten it up, hold like this, and then you plate on this. बढ़िया बना है? Bye.
चंडीगढ़ बाहर ठेले में थे दबा भर की चीजें
गुलाबी पास्ता जो मैंने देखा शराबी ये दिल हो गया संभालो मुझको
बेटे बुला